I want to thank you for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, all over the place. This thing has been, and it came down, broke down to 23,600, came up, bearishly retested this diagonal trend line. And now, potentially, could you get a double bottom holding support, or will you see a dump to the downside down to 22,824? Let's put it this way. Here's what we do know. If you get a strong move on a break and above 25,000, 25,200, go ahead and open up longs for Bitcoin. Altcoins will take off too. At this point, there's, a lot of choppiness right here at this price, in this price action. So it's a lot easier to nail the move because there's tons of sellers stacked up here. Okay. Now you see, Bitcoin lost this level. I'm just like yelling at Bitcoin, like, you can't even freaking hold this level. What are you doing? Like, Bitcoin bulls, you got to show up. So again, very important that you see a double bottom and a break to the upside versus this thing roll over. If this thing rolls over, the higher low idea we've been talking about could be in play. This is a Bitcoin 12-hour chart. I want you to notice that you've got some possible bearish divergence here. So what that means is you lose this key support level, 23,750. You lose this key level right back here. You're probably coming down at least to 22,175, right? Bearish divergence on 12-hour on daily chart too. So that means that a lot of times you'll see significant pullbacks based on this idea. Now, I want to show you what happened in 2019. You had this rising channel, right? Rising channel supposed to break lower, but Bitcoin had just broke out of this ascending triangle, right? So there's a bunch of bullish momentum, right? Then rising channel, if you can envision that, with you got bearish divergence, same bearish divergence that we're looking at right now, which supposed to, again, if you're going to break to the downside, you're going to get a significant break lower. But right here, you had a break lower, and then everybody just bought it up and this thing took off. So will we see the move, the fake out on the Bitcoin one-day chart, where potentially you get that break higher and the run to 35,000? Right, so that's one thing we're paying attention to. You cannot lose this key support level. You lose this key support level, you're coming down much lower, right? However, just to add, that's what happened in 2019. You had that breakdown with the long wick and a huge bounce, and soon as it broke, like right now, if it broke 25,000, if you get the pullback and the fake out, or the buyers buy it up and you break 25,000, like, just write that on your whiteboard. 25,000, 25,200 breaks, you're going to look for more upside out of Bitcoin. Throw fake outs in this price action just going forward. Remember this, if you're new to this channel, understand that we know how to trade the market. We know how everybody else is going to trade the market. And then we understand that the fake outs will give you some of the best trades, because you just flip and go the other direction, because the other traders are trapped and they're going to get punished by Bitcoin. Right? We talked about yesterday, all the sellers are stacked right here. All the sellers are stacked right here, right? You got the 50, the 200, death cross, and this previous. So there's just a ton of sell orders stacked right here. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group, and I'm going to go over some ideas that we have posted in the group on a regular basis of people who trade differently than I do. They chart differently than I do, and they do real well. And I'll show you one of those examples in just a second and how accurate the ideas are. This person turned $300 into $1,600 off of Sun. This person, he's in Dodo up 60%. I think it's up like 90% now. This person, he's ready to join the seven-figure club. Very proud of your success, I stated. He just bought this cash, $63,000 out the door for this Chevy. This person turned $78,000 to $152,000 in 15 days. Quick double up, $70,000. That's a ton of money. This person, 3x his money on Kucoin in the last 12 days. It was great to trade, the same as we did in the last bull market. It is right now, it's altcoin, small cap altcoin season right now. If you're missing the easiest money you make in crypto, I don't know why you're in crypto. What are you doing here? If you're, I mean, most people are here to make money. Are you? And if you are, Join the group and we'll get you up to speed and we'll help you make money. Look at all, I mean, every single day we nail banger after banger after banger. Look, this is the last 3 days right here. 159%, no leverage, 146, 84, 80, 32, 22, 47, 46, 45, right here. Yesterday, 141, 97, 79, 48, 37. Today, 104, 70, 62, 52, 50, 50. Right now, for 1 week, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. You turn 300 into 1600 like this person did, you got to be in the right coins. It's green city. Look at Kucoin right now. 1000% gains, 75%, 68, 41, 38, 35, 34, 30. It's ridiculous how much money. All these coins that have been doing nothing. Now, I want to show you my lead admin Trip. I want to show you what he does for the group on a regular basis, posting charts as far as pulling time cycles horizontally to figure out where the market is moving in when.
So I programmed this fib time zone, and I'm just going to pull it from the low to this high.
Most important part of this video is the idea that you pull from swing low to swing high, and then using the time cycles, you're able to figure out, well, where the next major pivot is. And you can see next major pivot right here, major move to the downside, right here, continuation to the downside, right here. What's happening? We're at 16,896 and he's got, hey, we're looking for a move. Down here, what happened? Again, you get a major pivot based on Trip's time cycles. This gentleman is constantly posting charts. I'm telling you, I got the strongest team out there, and they're posting the charts that will make you the most money constantly. DS1 exclamation point. So this is S&P 500 E-mini futures. You had this sell-off, and then on bearish retest, and now you had a little bit of a bounce. Main thing is that you get a higher low. Now, Bitcoin has been stronger. Bitcoin has been stronger than this. So the good thing is, if you get a strong bounce here, if this thing puts in a higher low and you get a strong bounce down here, right? Probably in this area, right in this area. Get the strong bounce, then you're looking for Bitcoin to respond in a bullish manner. Now, the last thing you want, like I said, don't want to see a break lower because there's some really possible bearish divergence. If the bulls can close the weekly above 25,000, everything changes. You're talking 28,500. You start longing altcoins, altcoin bangers. Kucoin, there's a link in the description. I encourage you to make this the easiest money right now you're going to make in crypto. All to 3 pages scrolling down of double-digit altcoins. Like if you're in this market for green candles, green projects, here they are on Kucoin. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.